I love these vibrant clamps. Look at that. Easy. This is my first time putting it in here. Ooh wee! So I think that looks good. I'm super happy with the way it looks. It just looks better. Oh my god. I can't find the hole. Oh my god. No one's ever told me you need to twist these, but this is just what I have done. We've got right blinker. And we have a working fuel level sender. We are back doing things to this car. Now, I don't think I've ever talked about it, but I sent my oil pan out to a gentleman in Connecticut. He is making me a brand new oil pan. We will touch more on that when I have the pan. But last video you guys saw, drove the car, that was great. Getting a new oil pan because that other oil pan was leaking. Obviously we know because it's more of a proof of concept oil pan. But I was messing with my coil bracket. Before it looked like this. I'll put something on the screen. But now then I changed it and I had it there. But I kind of don't like the way that looks. I would prefer it, I think, if it was just flat up against the frame rail. And I found this. I found this on a gentleman. This man on eBay, I would assume he's a man, I don't know, who knows. But he has this coil bracket that'll allow it to sit flush up on my frame rail. I think it's gonna look super good. The fitment will be great. It'll honestly be perfect, I think. I won't have to really change anything, but I think this will work really well. I got the pins. I got more pins for my dash because I'm gonna get my fuel sending unit working. I have one wire pinned. I don't have another wire pinned, which is the ground wire. So then we're gonna pin the ground wire today, mess around with that. Hopefully we should be able to get a working fuel level sending unit. So that'll be sick. And then I got springs from GK because I wanted to try something just to kind of, the pedal doesn't feel bad at all right now. It doesn't. But if I can clean it up in a way or make it feel a little bit stiffer, I'd like that. So we're gonna do that. Coils, wiring, and the spring. So we've got our little Insta360 Go, so we're gonna do that. And I think that's it. So let's get into it. Subscribe. If you're not subscribed, you're not invited to my birthday. I love these vibrant clamps. Look at that. Easy. Same thing over here. Boop, boop. Pinless, baby. Pinless. No one talks about how good these things are, but they are fantastic. And see, it already looks like half the engine's already apart. So next what we gotta do is, I gotta take these out, but the biggest thing is I gotta make sure, well, it doesn't really matter, because I'll know, because each of them should be labeled. I think it's a 10. My fingies. Okay. Kinda don't want to drop these. All right, so if we move this coil wires out of the way for a minute, you can see how much space is there. And I think it'll look best just right across. Super clean. This looks amazing. It's exactly what I wanted. I think it looks really good. And then, this is my first time putting it in here. Ooh wee! I think this is gonna look so good. I think it looks so much better. Oh my god. This is it. This is what I wanted. This looks so good. Yeah, just like this. Like, don't even have to do anything at that point. Flip all of them so that the 90s are there. I may actually end up having to shorten those plug wires. We will see, but god damn, that looks so much better. And I like having all of them just out like that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That's sick. Okay, hold on. Okay, so what the hell? Oh. So I just installed the new coil bracket, and oh my god, this is exactly what I wanted from the beginning. Now, we initially, when we had this bracket, it was a sick idea and it worked really well because it kind of closed off the coils and they were in their own like little section, right? And at first I was like, yeah, like this looks sick, but I had always said I did want them kind of flat, like really like pressed up against here, so there's that space here. And this worked. It did the job. It was just, it felt a little too cluttered. I also could never find the nuts that we made or we got for the little for the bars that went through and held the coils. So that was one thing, but that's besides the point. But looking over here, oh my god, it looks so good to have the Haltech logo out. It just looks good. It's aesthetically pleasing. It works. It's functional. I flipped around all the coil wires or the spark plug wires, so now that they all kind of flow a little bit better, and I feel like they're a little bit more secure, but they all look super duper good. So that came out well. So now I'm gonna put the intercooler piping and everything back in, and then we will move to the inside of the car. So I think that looks good. I'm super happy with the way it looks. It just looks better. You got the coils peeking up under there, and then you have, it just looks better. It does. I'm super happy with the way it came out. It looks really good over there. So now we're gonna go to the inside of the car. So clutch doesn't feel like bad. It's not like spongy. It's not like it's like, oh my god, I'm dying. It's not like it's like bad or anything like that. But I feel like they could be just a smidge firmer, just a little bit. So we have two springs here. I believe the shorter one would be like the firmest, and this one here would be like your slightly firmer, to say. So I think I'm gonna go with this spring. Okay. Okay. Oh god. Getting up under here is always a process. I don't know what the hell just fell. I don't have a tiny pick. Okay. Alright, well that's out. Okay. Take this out, and we're gonna find our other spring wherever it's at on the floor. This is supposed to make it a bit firmer. Okay, get back into position. Oh my god, I can't find the hole. Oh my god. Okay, hot dog. This is gonna suck if I don't like the way this feels. Okay, I'm getting in the car. I think it feels like maybe like 10% better. I feel like there's more, it's smoother. I would say like, it'd be better to do like shifter springs before you like your shifter springs before you did that. Kind of anticlimactic. I'm not like mad. It feels better. Like it feels a bit smoother, but it's not like, oh my god, this fixed my car. Whatever. On to the big thing here. So, pin, what is it, 18, 19, 20, 21, yeah. So we have pin 21 here. That is for our signal. And then we have to go to pin 30, so 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30 is the signal ground on the IC7 dash. So I have to pin one there, and then I have to pull that one from... Okay, so looking at this diagram here, pin 28 would be the one directly next to it, which would then be this one. This blue wire. There's no other blue wire next to it. Yes, so it's this one. It has to be this one. We're just gonna cut it and think about it later. Where are my snips? These aren't what I actually need, but they'll do. So we cut that, and then we peel it all the way back to here. Looking good. Then we come over here, and we pull one of these bad boys out. What we do is we get one of these bad boys and we get a little crack of toe. Just like that. And then we come over here just like that. Slide over, boy, right in there like that. So we're gonna do that. You know, no one has ever told me you need to twist these, but this is just what I have done. And we stick it right in there, like that. Maybe a little bit more like that. And look at that. You probably can't even see it on there. It's a 360, but it's looking good. Yeah, you know, sometimes it takes a little bit to work. But you can see, like the rest of these, if you can see, they're all at the end, and you want to get it to the end. And that's pretty much that. Some people will say, should you do this like this? No. If I had the correct crimping tools, we would not be doing it like this, but for me, we are. And you just gotta get in there, check a little bit more. And you can see it's getting in there pretty well. And then just like that, she's in there. She's in there like swimwear. And then all you do is you lock your connector. Make sure it locks properly. And that's it. That's all you gotta do. So yeah. Now I'm gonna work on the turn signals, which should be these pins over here, and then we'll be done. So yeah. Okay, let me show you what we got, people. So, we've got left blinker, we've got right blinker, and we have a working fuel level sender. That is awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this pretty quick video. I liked it. Hope you guys like the POV stuff, but I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully, we should be talking about an oil pan. So, see you in the next one. Subscribe, birthday party, remember. See you in the next one.